How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Again, like I told you guys in a few episodes ago, I'm working on this 2013 Audi A4. I clean the seats, I make everything look and smell nice inside, but the problem is still there. When you turn the AC, it's gonna have a weird smell. So there is some contamination, there is some bacteria, or there is something inside the AC, and we're gonna try to get rid of it. You can use Lysol and do the same process as I did it on my Honda Accord before. Put Lysol on the AC system and it's gonna clean. In this case, I'm gonna use this product, which is made from Armor All. This product is gonna clean the vents and ducts for your AC system. Same process like I did on my Accord. I'm gonna put this one on the vents. I'm gonna put it under the hood, and also I'm gonna change the cabin air filter. This 2013 Audi A4 use this cabin air filter. I get it from AutoZone, but this episode is not sponsored. So on this episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter, plus clean the AC system. For this vehicle, under the glove box, passenger side, you have the cover right here. You have to remove this cover, and it has some plastic screws that you have to remove. One is right here. There's another one right here. It's gonna be another one right here. Just pull it out. This is the cover for the filter. It's supposed to have some screws, but they remove them and they didn't put them back. Just pull it to the right. You see how dirty this thing is? Definitely we have to replace it. Look at that, guys. This is what a filter that probably has been there for many years. That's how it looks like. And they did it at the dealer. When? I don't know. But that's what you're breathing every time that you turn your AC. New filter. You have to push it all the way, because right here the screw goes right here, so it has to match. Make sure that it's flat so you can push it and it's gonna click on these little clips right here. So it's all the way in, and if you can see, the screw goes in here. Next step, let's put the cover back on. And the 3 clips. That's done. Now we move into the next step. Let's turn on the car. AC is on. Right here on the passenger side, this is the vent. For the AC, I'm gonna spray about 5-10 seconds in here. Have the doors open or the windows open. I can smell the product right now. It smells really good. I'm gonna turn off the car and let it sit in the AC for a little while. Now I'm gonna let it sit in there for, I would say, a couple hours. Then I'm gonna start the process again if I wanted to do a little bit more. Now with the heat on, AC off, so the product can go everywhere on the AC system. Next day, before you go to work, turn on your car, turn the AC on full blast, let it sit in there with the windows open for like 5 to 10 minutes so you don't have to breathe all that in. If you do this process a couple of times, it's gonna eliminate all the bacteria on your car and your AC system is gonna be just perfect. I hope you like this little episode, replacing the cabin air filter and cleaning your AC system. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.